So many years ago, this region, before it was farmed, before anything was happened, it connected with the river. This would be flooded during periods of high flows on the North Fork of the Kings River. Now we're looking at a water table that's 250 feet deep. We know that by bringing water back onto the floodplain, back onto these fields, that we can improve the aquifer and we can relieve some of the pressure on the river when we have flood years as intense as this. The rural communities downstream are at risk. And so anything we can do to take that water, move it off the river onto farmland, it's really a dual benefit. We're saving property downstream and possibly even lives. And then we're putting the water on our fields and allowing it to seep down into the aquifer and start replenishing what we've been pumping for so many years.